you. New at noon for days now, we've been following the flooding disaster in Kentucky. We've now learned a doctor at UNC Hospitals has learned their home was among those destroyed. Samantha Kummerer joins us now live with more on this. Samantha?
Yeah, helpless is how Dr. Randy Barnett describes feeling as she watched scenes of flooding unfold in her hometown. She works here at UNC Health, but for the past week, her heart and mind has been back in Kentucky, especially in the moments when she couldn't contact her family.
This was just absolutely devastating. We've never had an event like this. And we just weren't prepared at all for something like this to happen.
Her cherished family home torn apart by floodwaters, her parents rescued by boats, and all she could do was watch and hope.
That whole region raised me. And so all I wanted to do was get back and be able to help them in some way.
She knew she had to get back home. The problem was access was cut off.
You know, all the roads had either been flooded or blocked off and were only for emergency transport vehicles only. And it was awful.
Down the hall, anesthesiologist Dr. Philip Scholes had a solution.
I said, well, my next day off is Tuesday. And I just decided that I was going to take a plane there and we were going to take supplies there. And
Scholes happened to be a licensed pilot with access to a plane. So in the matter of days, the duo gathered 350 pounds of supplies and took to the skies.
You name it, we had it. We were taking it back with us. And, you know, I'm so grateful for everybody that came together to make this happen.
Barnett also able to reconnect with her family, who is starting the process of rebuilding alongside so many others.
You had entire generations of people, multiple generations of people living in this county who have lost everything.
Amid the destruction, Barnett finding small joys and assistance from unlikely places.
You know, I think it means a lot to people to see someone who, you know, previously had no connections to Kentucky and is willing to give back in such a huge way for us.
And such a great news story, but obviously help is still needed. Now, Barnett is planning on going back in the coming weeks by car this time, but she says anyone can help and is encouraging people to donate to the Eastern Kentucky Flood Relief Fund. Live in Wake County, Samantha Kummerer, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.